Okay, so today I'm in my 2001 F-250 and we're trying to fix this half door on my driver's side. They won't open. It won't open from the inside or from the outside. So I guess it's a common problem with these things, or it's just old, and we can see why it's not opening right there. See the cable and the little plastic little tab right there that's supposed to open the door, and it's broken. See if we can cut it. Come on, can get some light. That thing right there. So when you pull on the door handle here, that tab right there is supposed to catch on, and the cable will be able to pull and unlock the door. But it's not doing that because, well, it's broken right there. So I kind of started this video in the middle of me doing this. I'm just gonna tell you real quick, like, to remove the panel, there's nothing to it. So you just gotta remove the two screws here to hold the window thing here. When you to open it, you gotta remove those first. That way you can remove the plastic trim that goes around here, around the window. You remove that one first, and then you'll have I believe it's two, I think there were 7mm bolts right here and here. You remove those two, and there's like a plastic tab right here. Remove that, and then the bottom piece, plastic cover piece, you just pull up and it comes out. It's very simple. So I mean, didn't miss out on anything if I didn't record it. So now the hardest thing about this is probably gonna be that I have to remove, as you can see, these are rivets. I'm gonna have to drill them out. There's 3 of them. So I'm gonna have to drill them out, and once I put the new mechanism back on, I'm just gonna use bolts and nuts to hold it in place. I'm not gonna use rivets again, because it's very likely that this is going to happen again, especially with an aftermarket one. So I did went ahead and remove the speaker just to get out of the way, just to give me extra room if I need to get in there. I'm probably gonna open my driver door just so that I can, by hand, I can see if I can open this door. That way I can work on it better instead of sitting in here inside the truck. So let's see if we can figure out how to open it. I'm pretty sure you can, but I gotta open my door first. As you can see, it doesn't do anything. That's not working. Let's see. Thank you. Yeah, I reach in there and this cable is all, you can see this cable completely came off, and that right there is where they break, right there. So okay, I don't know what happened there, but I opened the ones and then I closed it to show you guys how to do it, and now it just won't open. So I'm gonna have to go up here and figure out how to open it from up there. So hang on. Okay, so I think the easiest way to do this is this plastic up here, which underneath this 2 bolts right here, and you can remove those 2 bolts and you ought to be able to open the door, and then you can remove this bolt right here, so you cannot take the latch off. So it's those 2 bolts are PT30. So big bolts. Let's remove the other one. Okay. Now that one's off. Okay, so I need to reach in there and blindly find a way to unlock the bottom, because that up there that was just for the top. There's 2 of them. The other one is at the bottom, and there's no other way for me to remove any bolt down there. So I'm kind of looking at the new piece right here, just to give me a reference on what do I need to be feeling for. And I figure out that this little tab right here, that's the one that I need to find down there blindly, and just go like that, and it should release it. So we'll see if that works. I don't have a whole lot of room in there. I can stick my whole arm, but I can't really move around much more than that. So let's give it a try again. Let's see if I can find the little tab. There you go. Oh, dang it, I need to get my arm out. Oh, oh. See that? That's from the door. But I got it open. Yeah, that's a cool background noise right there.
What?
Okay, so in order for me to get this one up there, I think I gotta remove the cable off of this bracket here and fit it through the hole up there through the top, and then bring it down and hook it back onto there. So see how that goes. I'm gonna put the bolt still here and hold it in place. So hang in there.
Going to stay. It's too heavy, Dad. Wow. Dad, this is too heavy. This is too heavy.
Too heavy?
I need to put it down. Here, one, better. Good listen.
Okay, so we're gonna hook this cable back in here. Okay guys, so this is done. Like I said, I use bolts and nuts, and on this part right here I have to use those little nuts at the end because these clips, they don't hold this lever thing in there snug like it's supposed to. So every time I went on, see that one there too, every time I would pull on it, it would like slide right out of there and it wouldn't work. So I put those nuts at the end to hold it, to keep it from sliding out. And they work just fine now. So I'm gonna put everything back together. I'm just gonna do a time lapse on that and should complete this video. Here we go.